Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today we're excited to officially debut 5 all-new kits specifically designed for the Polaris XP 1000. Let's kick things off with the most iconic kit in this lineup. First up, we have our bolt-on plug-and-play Stage Series Headlight Kit. The included bracket allows you to mount 2 of our high-performance 6000K cool white SS3 LED pods in place of your factory headlights, giving you more output and capability than the factory lamps. This bracket bolts on easily and is made of a heavy-duty powder-coated stainless steel to withstand whatever you throw its way. The outer pods utilize our driving optic. This will function as your low beam to provide an intense, focused beam of light downrange for high-speed illumination. The inner SS3 pod is our combo optic. This activates with the high beam vehicle function to provide exceptional additional off-road lighting. Unlike other kits on the market, all Stage Series LED pods feature an amber backlight, allowing you to retain the factory DRL functionality. Just below our headlight kit, you'll notice our SS3 LED Grille Kit. A full replacement for the plastic OEM grille, this kit allows you to mount 2 SS3 LED pods in the lower bumper area in a custom designed and engineered stainless steel grille built to endure the elements, giving you a stealth, OEM-like way to mount your pods. The grille was designed to match the honeycomb pattern in the lower grille and bolt on using factory mounting points. The SS3s included in this kit use our fog or combo optic, which come in either our 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow. Moving up the razor, you'll see our Stage Series A-pillar kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of SS3 or SS5 LED pods to your A-pillar utilizing factory mounting points. The pods will come in our combo optic, providing a high-intensity output downrange as well as added fill light in front of your razor. Just like our SS3 Grille Kit, we offer these in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow, along with the additional amber backlight. Moving around to the back of the razor, you'll be able to select from 2 different kit options: our Stage Series Chase Light Kit and our Stage Series Reverse Light Kit, both of which utilize our SSC2 LED pods. The Chase Light Kit includes a high-power yellow, dust light, and amber backlight, giving you more visibility to those riding behind you. The Reverse Light Kit, on the other hand, includes a high-power white reverse and red accent light. As you can see, these kits produce an unmatched, focused output of light, along with a stylish and modern appearance. If you want to pick up any of these kits for your razor or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use a dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.